describe Dainfern Valley as one of our premier estates out in the north of Johannesburg. It's a totally secure lifestyle estate. It is a very quiet sanctuary. It's got a lot of green belts and it's at one with nature whilst being in that sort of urban hub.
Situated north of Johannesburg, Dainfern Valley Estate offers its residents a country living experience, but with all the amenities of the city only a stone's throw away.
I think the main thing that hits you with this particular home is the fact that it's a home. It's first and foremost a home. It has a lovely family appeal, the flow is fantastic, and of course it's got this unbelievable kitchen, which I think is what families are gravitating towards today.
Over and above the high-end finishes, exposed trusses and fireplace, the kitchen is large enough to fit a lounge suite and a kitchen table. It also offers easy access to the patio and interior entertainment areas, literally making it the heart of the home.
Inside you've got this large room that we're sitting in now, which could host a dining room and a lounge, or could just be a huge lounge bar area with lovely stack back doors to the patio. The patio is a double-sized patio, so you can fit your couches as well as your eating table, and it's quite a seamless living space so that you can actually host large groups of people and you won't even feel it in a home like this. And of course the 5 bedrooms. You know, you don't get 5 bedrooms easily. And I think the beauty is that every bedroom actually has a bathroom en suite and a very sort of classic style in the bathroom. The nice thing I think also with the main en suite is it's got its own little lounge, plus a wonderful built-in, like a coffee station. So I think it's got a lot to offer.
This 5-bedroom home is built on a large corner stand, offering the homeowner 1,299 square meters of land. As a result, a large and comfortable home as well as ample garden space for the whole family.
This has got a beautiful garden. It's got all types of fruits and fruit trees and lemon trees, and it's got a beautiful big garden so that kids can actually kick a ball or play cricket in it. It's got an extra length swimming pool. It's got 3 garages. The staff room here is 5-star. And I think the proximity to the school, it's literally 2 blocks walk for the children to walk through the gate and into the school premises. And it's just a lovely country kind of home with a bit of classicness about it. So this home is on the market for 6,895,000 rand. But we just feel that it's a lovely priced home for a family who are looking for that home where they can let the kids roam freely, live a carefree life. It's got all the features that you want in a home, and I think people will be surprised when they come out here and actually see what they can get for their money. It's unbelievable, and I wouldn't swap this lifestyle for anything.